3 bits to represent octal number. Yes, Pramodi said 521. Good. How about Janani? Can you do the B? So we know that in octal and binary relationship, we had, octal 0 means 0, 0, 0. Octal 1 is 0, 0, 1. 2 is 0, 1, 0, and it goes on like this. For 7, it will be 1, 1, 1. Yes, it goes like this. If you take the positional values, we know the positional values will be this one 4, then the next one 2 and 1, right? So that's how the numbers works. Okay, I got the correct answers for A. The answer is 5 is 1, 0, 1. That's 5, 4 and 1. 2 is 0, 1, 0. And 1 is 0, 0, 1. Okay, so likewise B, we know it should be 1, 1, 1. That's 7. And 3 means 0, 1, 1. Okay, good. Third one, I want you to try in the book, draw the logic gate and take a picture and WhatsApp me the answer. Then we'll discuss how to draw the logic circuit. What we want to draw is A plus B bar dot A plus B. Yes, Sachira, we were doing 2015 part 2, question number 5. I want you to draw the logic circuit in your book, A plus B bar dot A plus B, and WhatsApp me the answer. පුළුවන් නම් පුතේ WhatsApp එවන්න පුළුවන්ද මට privately පුළුවන්ද ජනනි නැත්තම් එවන්න බැරිද? පුතාලා WhatsApp කරොත් මට බලලා උත්තරේ හරිද වැරදිද කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන්. WhatsApp කරන්න බැරි නම් කමක් නැහැ පුතේ මට චුට්ටක් කියන්න යවන්න විදිහක් නැත්තම් නෑ group එකට දාන්න එපා පුතාට පුළුවන් නේද privately මට දාන්න මං හායි එකක් දාන්නකෝ ඉන්නකෝ පුතාට message එකක් එන්න නැතිනේ ඒකට එවන්න group එකට දාන්න එපා ප්‍රමුදිදුව මට එවලා තිබුණා right අපි බලමු පුතේ උත්තර ටික අපිට xy කියලා ගන්න වෙනවා පුතාලා දන්න මෙතන a තියෙනවා පස්සේ b තියෙනවා අපිට input දෙකක් තියෙනවා so we have two inputs first of all we want to make a plus b bar a plus b bar means no gate isn't it so we have to have no gate so we have to have no gate so that is a and then that is b so that's no gate then o gate a plus b right so that means again we have to have a o gate right o gate with a and b so this is a plus b bar this is a plus b then you have to have multiplication that means and isn't it so we have to have and gate we have to have and gate so this will be the circuit right so I got correct answers from Janani and Pramodi both of your answers are correct okay so let's move to the next one the question number 6 we have truth table a b and A bar plus B bar, we have 0, 0. Okay, what are the values we need to put for X and Y? What are the values we need to put for X and Y? Yes? Achira, what is X? Yes, Janani, your answers are correct. Good. Pramudi, answers are correct. How about Achira? So what we need is A bar, isn't it? We need what is A bar and B bar, isn't it? So if A is 0, we know A bar is 1. This is 1. This is 0. This is 0. Yes, Achira, what is the answer? Then B bar is, this is 1, this becomes 0. This is 1, this becomes 0. So the answer is we have to add both A bar and B bar. So we know that 1 plus 1 is 1. Then 1 plus 0 is, that is also 1, isn't it? 0 plus 1, again 1. 0 plus 0, so then 0. So the answer is, we can say X equals 1 and Y equals 0. So we have X equal 1 and Y equals 0. Okay, good. So let's move the seventh one. Give me two differences in LCD monitors and CRT monitors. Yes, what is the difference? Yes, LCD monitors and CRT monitors. Yes, Achira? Prabhuti? Yes, Janani said CRT monitors consumes more electricity. Yes. So CRT consumes more electricity. And this is less, okay, consumes, Yes, low electricity. But if you take CRT, yes, we know that consumes high electricity. High electricity. Yes. Then, so that is Janani. Pramodi said size is large, right? So small in size, yes. Small in size. This is large in size. What else? LCD is expensive. Yes. This is cheap. This is since this is small, it's light, and CRT is heavy. Yes. So likewise, you can compare between the differences between the CRT and LCD. Achira, you are not answering my questions. Why? Okay, let's move to the next one. What are the main features that are in graphical user interfaces? We discussed 4 components in, yes, graphical user interfaces. What are the things? Yes, exactly. Pramodi said we have windows, we can say windows, and what's icons, and then menus, pointers. So WIMP we call it, right? So that one we have discussed. Okay, question number 9. Write 2 icons which are used in word processing tasks to create as O2N first. Yes, what icon we use to make O2? Usually you will get O2 as O and 2. Then you have to make it like this. Likewise, when you type it, you have to type 1 ST and then you have to make it like that, right? So what are the icons we have to use? O2, that is we call subscript. Yes. And first ST we call superscript. Okay, good. Both Janani and Pramodi gave me the correct answer. Okay, let's move on to the question number 2. Write the technical concept to relates to fifth computer generation. Yes, fifth computer generation, we talk about a specific technology, technical concept. What was it? fifth generation computers. Nowadays, we use lot of most of the time we use this technical concept. Janani, it's not the internet. How about Pramodi? Any idea? What might be the technical concept in fifth generation of computers? Not operating systems. Okay. How about Achira? I'm not getting any answers from Achira. So the technical concept we call artificial intelligence, we call AI. Or we call AI. So that is actually what we have in the fifth generation computers. So make a note of this. I think if you refer back to the theory, we have discussed this there as well. Okay, write two features about the first computer generation and the third computer generation. Okay, what is the difference between the first computer generation and third computer generation? Yes. Yes, what are the features? First computer generation, third computer generation. Yes, first computer generation. What is the technology used? What technological equipments we use in first generation computers? Yes, Achira. Yes, exactly. As Pramodi and Janani said, the technology we use is called vacuum tubes. Whereas in third generation we had, yes, third generation. Yes, Achira, good. It's integrated circuits, or we say IC, right? We say IC, integrated circuit. Just input and output. What are the things we have used input and output in first generation computers? Input and output using what? Exactly, Pramudi, Janani. In first generation computers, it uses what we call punch cards. In third generation computers, yes, third generation computers, exactly. It uses keyboard and mouse. Okay. Okay, what languages were used in first generation computers? What languages? What languages were used? Yes, in first generation the language, main language it uses called machine language. Whereas in third generation computers, it's not really assembly. By that time, we had high level languages, isn't it? Then large in size, the computer size is large, smaller in size. So I think that's enough. It talks about only two features. I hope you should be able to find two features. Let's move on to the third one. Write two applications per field in the following field: education field, ICT applications. Yes, Pramudi said can learn at any time, anywhere. Yes. Cloud-based learning is possible. You can use any devices to learn content. We have electronic learning. We have multimedia e-learning, distance education. So that's about the education. So in education field, we can say we will have what? Yes, LMS, yes, learning management systems, multimedia, use of multimedia information, e-learning, and then let me put one more, distance education. Yes, how about agriculture field? Agriculture. Oh, greenhouse, good. Janani said greenhouse. Yes, greenhouses, good. You can control light, moisture, the environmental conditions. Meteorological devices, good. Pramodi. And then drip irrigation. Yes, we can use drip irrigation. You can use robot technology. Yes, especially with plantation also, like when we want to use work with the weeds, weed removing machines, robotic based ones are there. So good. Give me some entertainment answers, Achira. ICT applications in entertainment sector. Yes, you can watching movies, downloading movies. That was possible. Video games. right? Computer games, movies, right? Listening music on the internet, electronic books, e-books, yes. Digital photos. So those are the some application in ICT. Okay, fourth one, classify the computers according to computer size and name the applications of applying these computers. I think maybe where they have used, right? The place where it is used. According to size, how do you classify the computers? According to size, how do you classify? Yes, what is the largest one? Yes, that's supercomputers. Supercomputers. Then we can have mainframe computers, mini computers. Yes, mainframe mini computers. And even we can say personal computers. So in supercomputers, where it is used, yes, um, places like NASA, yes, and even military, even the government, right? Mainframe computers, they are now rarely used, but still they are using in business. Yes, especially high scale. And then mini computers, smaller ones like banks. And we know in personal computers what we use in schools and houses, right? So those are the users, classification, and examples of users. Okay, let's move on to question number 3. Thisum works using computers in their different section in his industry. He wants to develop his industry by networking the system. He is searching details about the computer networking. Okay, first one, write 2 advantages of computer networks. Yes, computer networks are used in various cases. So why we should use them? Okay, tell me that what are the advantages of using networking? Yes, Janani said security is high. Yes, more secure. We can say high security. Usually network environment, Usernames and password are compulsory. It's more secure than normal environment. Easy of sharing resources. You can share resources. Yes. Yes, what else? Then faster sharing. Instantly you can share anything with the users in the network. So it's faster. It's easy. Easy sharing. Then centralized software management is possible. For example, you don't have to install software in all the machines in the network. So you can install in one machine and can be used by the other machines. And internet and email facilities. So that is also there. The second question is a little bit, it's not really clear how to get promotion or advertise to this industry. Basically, I think how to promote this. So the answers are, yeah, I mean, you can advertise. It's about advertising using websites and how network with other businesses related to networking. Okay, question number 3. Write two suitable computer network topologies which are implemented in this industry and name two advantages of them. Okay, what kind of topologies we can use? Now, topology means the way we will create the network, how you may create the network, and what are the advantages it has. So generally you can say some advantages. Advantages and disadvantages of different topologies we have discussed. So you can actually use the same. So star topology, yes, as Pramodi said, we can use star topology. Star topology. The advantages are easy to install because you can put into a central location. Yes, what else? Easy to install. Easy to correct errors. Yes, good. Easy to correct errors. Yes. Then Janani said bus technology. Yes, you need a few wires. Yes. What are the other advantages, Janani, in bus topology? easy to connect and remove computers. So those are some of the advantages. You can even say ring topology, fast data transmission, you can easily connect. It's also good for small network and so on. So you can think about many. Okay, let's move on to question number 4. What is the difference between the LAN and WAN? Right? What are the differences? Yes, LAN and WAN. Yes. Yes, Achira, good. WAN means it covered wide area, covers small area. This is wide area, right? Like continent, countries. Whereas LAN sits limited to one building. What else? Yes, what are the other differences? Local area network, easy to maintain. It's not that complex. This is complex to maintain. Yes, what are the examples? It asks you to put example. What are the examples where we use LAN networks, local area networks? What are the places we will use local area network? Yes, schools, office environment. Wide area network. Yes, exactly. We can use internet. So that's the best answer when it comes to internet. Okay, so that's question number, right? Question number 3. Okay, let's move to question number 4. We have input A and B. We have X. Write the Boolean expression for X above circuit. Okay, can you write the Boolean expression? Yes. Can you write the equation for X using A and B as the input? So we know that we will have A here. So from this side, we have B bar. And from this side, we have A bar here. and here we have B. Pramodi, your answer is not fully correct. You have to use brackets. Janani, your answer is correct. Pramodi, can you rewrite the answer again? Okay, Pramodi, this time, yes, the answer is correct. Achira, in your answer is also you need to use brackets. So this side we have AND gate, that means Boolean multiplication. So we can say A dot, so this is B bar. So likewise, here we have O gate. So that means this is A bar plus, this is B. So that means X equals this side A B bar, this is A bar plus B. So we can say, you need to put brackets, otherwise you won't get the correct answer. A dot B bar dot A bar plus, we have B. Okay, let's move to the next one. Can you draw the truth table and WhatsApp me the answer? Okay, draw the truth table and WhatsApp me the answer. Right. We know that, yes, x is inside brackets a dot b bar dot a bar plus b. So when you want to put truth table, yes, we need a, yes, we need b, we need a bar, we need b bar, yes. Then we want to get the multiplication a dot b bar. Then we can have a bar plus b, yes. Finally, we can have x equal a dot b bar dot a bar plus b. So these are the numbers, right? So we have to have value 0, you have 0, then we have 0, 1, then you have 1, 0, then you have 1, 1, isn't it? Yes. I'm waiting for your answers. Yes, I got it from Janani. Yes, your answer is correct, Janani. Good. Yes, Pramuddi, your answer is also correct. Yes. Yes, Achira. Yes, good, Achira. You also got the correct answer. Okay. So we know that a bar is 1, b bar is also 1. Then when we multiply a b bar, we will get 0. Then we have a bar plus b, a bar plus b, we have 1. Then the multiplication becomes 0, isn't it? So that's how it will work. So likewise, again, A bar will be 1. B bar is 0 this time. So A B bar, that is 0, 0. So this will get 0. Then we have A bar B, A bar plus B, A bar plus B, 1 plus 1, that is 1. Again, this will be 0. Third one, so this is 0, this is 1. Then AB bar, AB bar, that is 1, AB bar. Then A bar plus B, A bar plus B, this becomes 0. So this should be 0, isn't it? So likewise, this will be 0, and this is also 0. So AB bar, A dot B bar, A dot B bar, that is 0. A bar plus B, that is 1. And the multiplication again will get 0. Good. Everybody got the correct answer. Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, simplify the following sums. Can you, tell me the answers for 1 and 2? So it's binary subtraction. Janani, your first answer is correct. So the first one, we have to subtract 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. We want to subtract 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, isn't it? Actually, can you check the answer for the first one? So let's start. So when you subtract 1 from 1, this is 0. This is 0. This is 0, right? Now you can't subtract from 1 from 0. So which means you have to go to the next no, then you go to the next one. So we have 1. And then you take 1 out from 1. This becomes 2. Yes. And out of that, you will take 1. Then becomes 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Yes. And here we have, now you have 1 here. 1 minus 1 is 0. So that means that's the end of this. So the answer should be 1000. Okay, so let's move to the next one. We have 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. And you have to subtract 1, 0, 0, 1. So when you subtract 1 from 1, this is 0. 0 from 0, it's 0. 0 from 1, it's 1. Then we have 0. So which means you can't subtract this. Take 1 from here. No, then you have take from 1. So this becomes 2. Again, you have taken 1. This becomes 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. And then you left with 1. So the final answer should be 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, I see some difficulties in subtracting. That's okay. In the new syllabus, we don't have subtraction. I'm not saying that they are not coming, but normally we will not see many questions like this. Okay, let's start with question number 4. Convert 3D into decimal. 3D. Yes, good, Janani. We got the correct answer. Yes, Achira, good, correct answer. So we know that this is 16 to the power 0, so that is 1. So this is 16 to the power 1. So when we want to put the answers, yes, so this is equals to, yes, 3, we have 16 into 3 plus 1 into D means 13. Yes, that means this is 48 plus this is 13. So which means we are getting 61. Okay, good. Okay, so with that one, actually, we finish the question number 4. There are 3 more questions to go. I want you to try this at home and we discuss the answers next time, right? So let's switch to MCQ questions. I'm sending you a link, and then I'll also finish the class for today, because the remaining time you can work on the paper one. Um, and the new year, so I wish you a very happy new year for 2021, 2021. And I hope then every will be normal and we can have physical classes at least for the grade 11, right? We have a lot to do in practicals. So because of that, I hope we could meet in this, right? So the next week onwards, we are going to start grade 11. For the time being, I'm not going to change the time, but in case if you have any issues with the time, please let me know if you want to change the time. Otherwise, I will have the same time, right? So having said that, let's finish for today. I mean, I will send you the link for the paper one. Please finish this and leave. Otherwise, I'll be there. Although I finish the class, I'll be online. I'll see your answers as well, right? Okay, let me give you the 2015, the paper that we were discussing right now. Let me give you the link. Yes, I want you to try this now. I put the link to you.